Alright, welcome again people to MG Sports TV. Hopefully you guys are doing good and hopefully everything is totally fine. Now, it is Sunday. God bless you guys. Heading off to church right now. I'm going to drop a video before I do so. I'm not going to speak about Demarai. 3 games, 3 goals, 6 games, 3 goals, 3 assists. A total of 6 goal contribution in his 6 appearances. 5 in the Gold Cup, 1 in the Nation League. People, think about it, right? Goal contribution, yeah. Can't say, boy, that is fallacy, yeah. Boy, goal a goal. But the assist as well. Now, since this man hit the ground, since this man came into the Reggae Boy squad, he has been a breath of total fresh air. And you can see the class that he has. You can see it. It's clear. It's clear. It's evidently clear. Really, really clear, people. And I have to say, I'm happy to have a quality player like this in the squad who can really elevate the squad and deliver when things look tough. Because really and truly, Andreas really made the game more aggressive. They made it more tougher than it actually should be. Yeah, there's moments when we actually make the game, kind of come out of proportion. But it was a real good game, to and from. 2 teams going at it. I do think that there's still more work to be done. Where how we play. I do understand that we don't really have the type of players to play the possession-based football that all of us would want to see. But I think that's it. Now, the coach is utilizing the players that we have with their best potential, their best abilities, fast, quick, aggressive on the counter, transition. So I would understand with that. But back to Demarai. This player is top quality. I'm not saying that he's the world beater, but whenever he puts on a Reggae Boys jersey, he is top quality and he most definitely always deliver, which is a huge positive, people. It's hugely positive, people. Think about it. He just don't miss. This guy just can't miss. It's either he's creating a chance, rendering an assist, or he's scoring. It's either. He must be involved in something positive with the team. I tell you, and when me I watch him with my 2 eyes, and me I say, yo, different level, different level. Just people, man, my advice, come out to your house, man. Come at the stadium, pay the 15 bills, sit on my grandson. I can look on it for yourself. Come watch it for yourself, man. Come watch it for yourself. Different level, pace, the tempo, fast foot, quick feed. Different level, man. I tell you, the quality. Them are great quality player, people. Quality. And I'm very happy to have to include these type of quality players in the squad. And that does showcase the importance of recruitment and getting these quality players in the team, further develop the team into a top team. Still not there as yet. We can see it's a work in progress. Now Grims is doing good so far. He's doing good so far. Results have been are being delivered. So we have to give him credit for that. And he's looking for the right profile of players. You know, like these Demarai, these quick players. He's looking for the right profile of players to get the job done, which is quite good. Now, the difficult aspect right now is just to still fix the midfield, you know. That's the difficult part. But where recruitment is concerned, the acquisition of Demarai, brilliant. I do think that the fans at the stadium, when Demarai is coming out, the fans are rise up and be nice to Demarai. Fans, them love him. People. They really love him. And that's nice. That's really nice. And he feels extremely welcome. I can say that he loves the culture, he loves the people, he loves the fans. And he's just embracing it. He's just really embracing it. And it's a good look. It's a really good look, people. But anyways, big up on yourself. Big up yourself, Demarai. Continue dropping the goals and assists. You know, Jamaican fans. Once they score an assist now, yay, it was nice. But have a bad game. And then yourself, big up on yourself, people. Support all the time, you know? MG Sports TV. Road. Boom.